this Suitmate water extractor. It looks just like a mini washer. It does not operate using heat, just spinning to extract the water from the wet sweatsuit. It does not operate using heat, just spinning to extract the water from the wet swimsuit. The inside of it looks just like the inside of a washer. I'm going to insert my wet swimsuit into the extractor, close the lid, and then press and hold it down the entire time to dry. Here is the noise it makes. And here is the water coming from the extractor. Make sure that you wait for the cycle to complete or the machine stops spinning before opening the lid. The noise was not bad since it takes only 8 seconds for it to complete a cycle. About 95% of the water from my swimsuit has been removed. The swimsuit went from being so wet and heavy to just being a little damp and so much lighter. This swimsuit extractor is perfect for a family or any center with a swimming pool. The swimsuit water extractor is specifically designed for swimsuits only. It should not be used with other materials or garments.